In this video, I'm going to show you how to round corners in Photopea. First, head over to your Photopea project where you have the image whose corners you want to round. Photopea does not provide a direct option to round the corners of an image with a single click, but there is a very effective method that allows you to achieve the same result using a shape layer. Once you are inside your project, go to the left side of your screen and locate the Shape tool. Right-click on it and select the Rectangle tool from the list. After selecting it, simply click and drag on your canvas to create a rectangle shape. Keep in mind that this rectangle will act as the frame for your image, so place it in the exact area where you want your image to appear. To round the corners of this rectangle, look at the small circular handles located near the corners of the shape. Click and drag these circular controls inward, and you will notice that the corners of the rectangle start becoming more rounded. You can keep dragging them until the corners are rounded exactly the way you want. If you want your image to cover the entire canvas, you can drag the edges of the rectangle until they reach the borders of the canvas. Otherwise, you can keep the rectangle slightly inside the canvas if you prefer to leave some space around the image. Once the rectangle shape is ready, move to the Layers panel on the right side of your screen. Make sure that your image layer is placed above the rectangle layer. If the rectangle layer is above the image layer, simply click and drag it below the image layer. After arranging the layers correctly, right-click on the image layer and select the option Clipping Mask. As soon as you apply the clipping mask, your image will take the shape of the rectangle and the corners will appear rounded according to the shape you created. If you want to adjust the shape later, simply select the rectangle layer again. Then choose the Move tool from the left side of your screen and enable the Transform Controls option from the top of your screen. This will allow you to resize or reposition the shape while keeping the rounded corners effect. Finally, if you want to add a clean background behind the rounded image, click on the New Layer icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Move this new layer below all the other layers. Then go to the left side of your screen and select the Paint Bucket tool. If the Gradient tool is visible there, right-click on it and select the Paint Bucket tool. Choose the color you want for your background, for example white, and then click once on the canvas to fill the background layer with that color. Your image will now appear in front with smooth, rounded corners, and this is how you can round corners in Photopea